You go get some things wey go happen for your life you go think say na coincidence. Then later, many years later, you come realize say that thing wey you think say just happen like that, no be like that o, no be ordinary, e get reason. For country like America, if you wan talk about significant happenings, at least in recent times, one of the most significant happenings wey you go talk about corona, that one na for the whole world, wey you go talk for America na 9/11. The kind question wey dem go dey ask, dem go say where you dey during 9/11, because for 9/11 something shake the foundation of America, something happen wey dey so significant wey be like say e come shake the foundation of America. Now if you wan use that one as equivalent for Nigeria, you go say which event happen wey be like say e shake the foundation of Nigeria, especially for 1990s, no be recent times. If you talk about EndSARS for recent times, if you talk about corona, that one, but in the 1990s, which event for Nigeria wey una go say shake almost the foundation of the country? The event wey una go choose na June 12th. Yes, June 12th election. Yes, during that time, I know say I don old, but I no old like that too. During that time, I still dey secondary school, so wetin concern me and politics, me I no get business with politics. My own na to eat food, and that time I like food. You know, big loaf of bread like this, I fit eat 3/4. That time I no know whether my belle, e be like say something dey my belle, I go just dey eat, I no dey satisfy. Hey! My mom still tire for me, I like food too much. So that time now, you know, as young person now, I still dey my, I don reach teenagehood, I think so, but early teens or mid teens. You know, as a teenager, all your own na music, you no concern you nothing about politics, you just dey do your own dey go. So e get this school wey I dey go for Ekenwa Road, and that time we dey live for Uselu. If you know where Ekenwa Road dey, put am for comment. People wey know Nigeria well well for south south, dem go know Ekenwa Road. If you know where Ekenwa Road dey, put am for comment. So I dey school for this school for Ekenwa Road. E dey opposite, make I give you, I no go call the name of the school but e dey opposite, what dem call am, one place, I no go really call am, but na big field. The school get big field, na there dem dey do many events for Benin. So I know say some people don know the school. So na that school I go some schools, but na that na one of the schools wey I go. So that time na, you know as e be, my mom still go give us transport money you know, she go give me transport money make I take bus from that place to Ring Road. Dem dey call am King Square, na im be the official name, but no, if you go Benin, go dey ask, I don call the town, if you go Benin, go dey ask of King Square, dem go just dey look you like say something dey do you, but once you say Ring Road, everybody go know. Na Ring Road I know am as. So from that Ekenwa Road, after school I suppose to take bus go Ring Road, then from Ring Road I go take another bus go my area. But you know as students be now, when parents go give you money, you go prefer to buy ice cream or buns or one yeye till something wey no make sense, then you go prefer to trek. So that day jejely,
The event wey I wan yarn so happen many years ago, so abeg make una forgive me if I make mistake as I dey yarn o.
my mom still go give me transport, but instead of me to take transport, I go prefer to trek. So that day, normally as I dey do, I go trek from that place go Ring Road, but from Ring Road to the place where I dey go say e too far, so I no dey fit trek that one, so I go take bus. So I go chop ice cream, no use the money do nonsense, na student life be. So that day as normal as I dey trek, suddenly I look up, I dey hear sound of helicopter, no be plane, no go be plane, na helicopter. As I look up, I see June 12th. I see balloon. You know say that time now, during that election, June 12th election time for Nigeria everywhere dey exciting. For TV you go dey see advert, they go do SDP advert and NRC. I think that SDP and NRC, they dey do sweet sweet advert, so people know say something dey happen, even if e no concern you as small pikin, you no care who be president, all you just wan do na to sing the song, election song, campaign song. So when I just see June 12th, and I don near Ring Road, I know say na Ring Road something dey happen. Ring Road na e go happen, you know, student now. Before I reach Ring Road, I come see people gather. You know say something dey happen. So me, when I young, I dey very adventurous. If something dey happen, maybe after school people dey fight, instead of me to go house, I go stay dey watch people wey dey fight. That's why I dey do my thing. I too dey like am before that time. So as I see say I say something interesting dey happen, now I just go Ring Road. As I go Ring Road, I see people. Suddenly I just see one man, Moshood Abiola. Of course, then everybody know Moshood Abiola. But I don't think say at that time I don hear am talk before. I don't know whether I don hear am talk, but I dey read about am. Now I see Moshood Abiola, he dey talk about June 12th. I don't know whether na after the election or before the election, I don't remember now. He dey talk about June 12th, say e be like woman wey go labour ward. Say when you go labour ward, you go feel the pain as you dey give birth to the pikin. But after you don born the pikin, you go dey happy. So even as young as I was, there was just something about the man. Yes, he get thick Yoruba accent to MKO Abiola. At least wetin I hear na very thick Yoruba accent. And you know say me now that time na just south I dey. I don travel go Lagos maybe once, but my life just dey around that area, so I no really know much about Yoruba people. But there was just something about the guy, the way he dey talk. MK Abiola, I go call the word charisma. I no know the word when I fit talk am for pidgin. He get sweet mouth. Abiola get very sweet mouth, and dey captivate you. Anything wey dey talk, you go wan lis ten. I think another person wey get that gift wey I know, not personally, na Bill Clinton. They get charisma. Even Obama get am to an ex ten t. I no dey talk say I dey support any of these people. I just dey talk say na the gift wey they get. They get sweet mouth. But whether wetin dem dey do I like am o, I no go talk now, but I just dey talk for as illustration. So Abiola dey talk. As young as I dey that time, I was carried away, as in the thing sweet me inside belle. So something for wetin he talk just stick to me. Even many years till today, I realize say something when Abiola bin get. I no dey say I no know Abiola personally. I know say sometimes Fela sing song about Abiola, ITT and all those things. So I no really know about all those things. But I know say Abiola to a large extent no be saint o. You know say for Nigeria, most of us no be saint, most of us don make mistakes. But I think say e get sincere, e get an in ten tion to do well for Nigeria. Na so I say Abiola as o. But I no know. E fit be say the guy dey do bubu yeye, sabi pre ten d o. But from wetin I see that time, the man get interest for Nigeria, to help Nigeria. Na so I say Abiola. But now no be say I wan talk. But one thing wey Abiola get, when I notice na say e get this spirit of maybe patriotism, love to help Nigerians. Yes, there are some Nigerians no matter what, they fit run for many years. They fit say, I no go ever go back to Nigeria. I hate this country. They fit do everything, but one day something go bring them back. They just dey drawn. E be like say their umbilical cord dey attached to Nigeria. Na so, because when I dey younger, I no like Nigeria for one bit.